Okay, so quarter, ready?
I'm so stupid she thought a quarter was a refund.
It's a real quarter. It's a quarter. A quarter. It's a real quarter.
What do you owe?
Oh, that feels great. Oh, it's like taking the swelling down so much. So I was just watching YouTube eating some Cookie Crisp, and I'm disappointed. So this is what what I thought all Cookie Crisp thingies look like that, with the little chocolate chips. But I went up to get a spoonful, and I found this one. A chocolate chipless Cookie Crisp. Oh, it might be a ginger snap crisp. It doesn't deserve to be eaten. It doesn't. Jerk.